Hi developers. If you get confused very oftenly which platform you should use to get your next job, then I have the solution. But for that, you have to watch the video till the end. So last Sunday, I have this idea to create a dedicated platform or a website to search the job portals around the world. So I come up with a solution called FindJobsPortals. It's basically a platform which you can refer to find all the kind of website you need in order to get your next job. Since I didn't have much time, so I decided to take this entire idea, or let's say a project, into a hackathon. I called it a 5 hour coding hackathon. And here's what I did into my 5 hours of coding hackathon on last Sunday. Firstly, first I jot down the extensive list of all 40, 50, or let's say 60 portals around the world. I collect them from Google using some scraping algorithms and so on. And then I collect all of them and put into a single database. I've used Notion and Superbase database to collect and put all of the portals at one place. And then I create a front-end repository. And as you all know, I am a big fan of Next.js. So I use Next.js and create a front-end repository. Install some of the required libraries, such as UI library and styling libraries. And then I fetch the data from the Superbase database. If you don't know Superbase, link in the description to watch the introduction video. Superbase database I used, and they provide the NPM module, or let's say client libraries, which you can use to fetch the data in the client side from their database. And then last, I render the extensive list of all 40, 50 portals around the world to get your next job on a single table, which contains details such as links, image, descriptions, and so on. The current image you are seeing, it's probably the upgraded version of the website. In the last few days, I have put another few couple of hours on the website. And what I did is I used this NPM package called URL metadata or metadata scraper, whatever you feel to scrape the meta tags from all the website portals in around the world, and I scrape their details such as description, this icon, image, keywords, and social media links, and so on. And to make it more detailed sort of database of all the portals around the world. And lastly, let's discuss some of the technological stack I used to develop this project. And as usual, I start with front-end framework that is Next.js, which is my personal favorite. And along with Next.js, I always prefer Vercel to host the website. I use Superbase this time as a database, apart from Firebase or Pocketbase, because I wanted to give it a try. And then I use Manta and Dive as a UI library, which I'm currently using for a lot of different projects. I'm actually loving it. And the next one and the last one is a Tailwind CSS, which is, of course, the most loved styling library. It's quite a good project at the end. I also learned the new database. Technological stack was also quite good. And I just wanted to test the idea in the market. That is why I shifted the entire project into a 5 hours of coding hackathon. I've also launched the product on Product Hunt to get the people's opinion to understand how the idea is. And to be honest, it's quite good. People are loving it and commenting out a lot. This website is live, link in the description. You can check it out. And that's it.